Exploring the phrase, end zone. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of sports terminology, particularly in American football. If you've ever been curious about the term, end zone, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we unpack its meaning and usage. The end zone is a term primarily used in American football. It refers to the area between the goal line and the end line where touchdowns are scored. It's a crucial part of the playing field, and understanding its function is essential for anyone trying to grasp the rules of the game. The end zone is typically 10 yards deep and extends the full width of the field, which is roughly 53.3 yards. Understanding a term is great, but knowing how to use it in context is even better. Here are a few sentences to help you get the hang of it. 1. The quarterback threw a long pass, and the receiver caught it in the end zone for a touchdown. 2. During the play, he was tackled just before reaching the end zone. 3. The team celebrated their victory with a dance in the end zone. The end zone is not just a part of the field, it's the focal point of the game's scoring system. Here's why it's so essential. 1. Scoring. The primary way to score in American football is by getting the ball into the opponent's end zone, either by running it in or catching a pass there. 2. Safety. If a player is tackled with the ball in his own end zone or if he commits certain fouls there, the opposing team is awarded 2 points. This situation is called a safety. We hope this quick journey into the world of American football has shed some light on the term, end zone. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to understand the game or even just converse about it. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.